Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. As described in the title of this video, yes, you could make a healthy tuna sandwich in just 2 minutes. Open up 1 can of tuna, push the lid down and drain out the water. Take the tuna out of the can to a bowl. Break up the trunks. Mix in 1 tablespoon of marinade to 2 to 3 ounces of tuna. I have a 7-ounce can, so I need 3 tablespoons. Coat the tuna evenly with the marinade. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well. It's just that simple. Your tuna sandwich is now ready for you to enjoy. But we are not stopping here. Here comes the fun part of making tuna sandwiches. It all depends on what you have at home. You can use any kind of bread, rolls or croissants, toasted if you like. The tuna mixture is great on crackers too. Whole grain bread offers a healthier choice. It's all up to you. For taste and texture variations, divide up the mixture into 2 to 3 ounce portions. This size is good for 1 sandwich. To make a classic tuna sandwich, add 1 tablespoon of diced carrot and celery each, half of a small avocado. Mix well. If you like crunchy, put some nuts in it. Place the nuts in a Ziploc bag. Run the rolling pin over and crush them. Then add it to the tuna. Add raisins or cranberries for a little bit of sweet taste. There's no limit to the versions of tuna sandwiches you can make. The key note to take from here is that a healthy lunch could be quick and easy. Let's take a look at the nutrition facts. Water-packed light tuna is usually more preferable. It has fewer calories and retains more omega-3s. According to FDA and EPA, canned light tuna is a better, lower mercury choice. I used Miracle Whip. It has only 50 calories in 1 tablespoon. Are you hungry? Why not make yourself a tuna sandwich? Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.